Hi, hearty congratulations to all those who have taken up this 5 days WhatsApp class. This is Anjana from Anjana's Culinary Art Institute, and we are going to be together for the next 5 days where I'll be teaching you lots and lots of many things with lots of bonuses. You all heard it right. All these things are going to be only for just $299. Okay, the entire package would cost you not less than 5,000 rupees, but as a mission, my mission is to create a revolution in the baking industry by creating 1 million eggless home bakers. And in this mission, it's impossible for me to do it all alone. I need all your support to carry this journey further. And in this thing, I just like to help one thing from you all, and that is, once you have taken this course, very congratulations to you all. Okay, this course is meant for each and everybody who has a passion to earn from home. And for this, I just need one small help from you all. Okay, it's always said, no, the referral thing goes on and on. For this, I just need your support. The support can be in various forms. You can just share this message, okay, to your friends, your families, in your WhatsApp status, and you can make sure that you get at least 5 members whom you can help. Okay, I'm saying you this thing because it's just $299, and this class is going to give a transformation from a non-bakers to home bakers.